Every day, your team strives to do their best work. They know that mistakes can cost the company expensive rework and even the client. That's why it's so important to document every stage of your progress. When it comes to preventing mistakes, aerial imagery and regular mapping is a lifesaver. Our licensed pilots will work with your team, providing useful aerial data on a regular basis. This means you can make better decisions faster. Our digital twin copies of your job site are like a time capsule, allowing you to look back on previous dates and review progress. Our smooth operators will also create stunning cinematic content for your client presentations, website, and social media. The iFly Cameras team cares about your project, and our attention to detail means we won't let you down. We have redundant crew and aircraft, and always show up on time in capable vehicles with vests, hard hats, and safety gear. So if you need an aerial survey and inspection team you can trust, book us today at iflycameras.com.